What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here I have a wire crimper that we sell at 1aauto.com. I'm going to show you how it works. You can use many different types of crimps. You can use the red crimpers, the blue ones, or the yellow ones. Take a wire that's already stripped. We'll insert this. Actually, a lot of times it's easier to twist the wire a little bit. Then we'll put it in this little connector. Slide that in there, position. Then to open these, I'm just going to squeeze them. It's going to open it. Get this in position on the blue one. And then we're going to squeeze down. Once it's squeezed, we can let up. And that's crimped on. You can use another wire. You can connect them together. These are butt connectors. Just slide that in position. Do the same on this side. You can actually squeeze it, get it started, and then insert the wire. Once that's in position, we'll squeeze it all the way down. And it's nice and tight. We got a good connection on the two wires. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.